The incredible benefits of walking and why you should start walking today. The simple art of walking and its surprising benefits. Walking, a seemingly simple activity that we often take for granted, holds a plethora of surprising benefits for our overall well-being. From physical health to mental clarity, the advantages of walking regularly are abundant. In this section, we will explore the numerous reasons why walking is not only good for you but also an art worth embracing in our daily lives. When it comes to improving our health, walking is an accessible and low-impact exercise that can be enjoyed by individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you choose to stroll leisurely through your neighborhood or power walk on a scenic trail, the benefits remain consistent. From weight management and cardiovascular health to strengthening muscles and bones, the positive impact on our physical well-being cannot be overstated. However, the advantages of walking extend far beyond just physical fitness. Engaging in regular walks has been shown to boost mental clarity and enhance cognitive function. It provides an opportunity for solitude or social interaction with friends or loved ones, both of which contribute to reducing stress levels and improving overall mood. Moreover, incorporating walking into your daily routine can have long-term effects on your overall quality of life. It promotes better sleep patterns, increases energy levels throughout the day, and even helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and certain types of cancer. So lace up your shoes, step outside into nature's embrace or explore urban landscapes. Let us embark on this journey together as we uncover the artistry hidden within each step we take towards a healthier and happier life through the simple act of walking. Physical health benefits of walking and keeping your body fit and healthy. Walking is not only a simple and accessible form of exercise, but it also offers numerous physical health benefits. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, improve your cardiovascular health, boost your stamina, or simply maintain a fit and healthy body, walking can be an excellent addition to your daily routine. One of the most prominent benefits of walking is its effectiveness in weight loss. By incorporating regular walks into your schedule, you can burn calories and contribute to a calorie deficit, which is crucial for shedding excess weight. Walking at a brisk pace for extended periods can help you achieve even greater results. In addition to weight loss, walking also provides significant cardiovascular benefits. It helps improve blood circulation and strengthens the heart muscles. Regular walks can lower blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of heart disease by improving overall cardiovascular health. Furthermore, walking is an excellent way to improve stamina. As you gradually increase the duration and intensity of your walks, you'll notice an improvement in your endurance levels. This increased stamina will not only benefit you during physical activities, but also in everyday tasks that require sustained energy. By incorporating regular walks into your routine, you can enjoy these physical health benefits while simultaneously enjoying the outdoors and getting some fresh air. So why wait? Lace up those shoes and start reaping the rewards that walking has to offer for a fit and healthy body. Mental health benefits of walking and boosting your mood and reducing stress. In today's fast-paced and stressful world, finding ways to improve mental health is crucial. One simple yet effective solution that often gets overlooked is walking. Not only does walking offer physical health benefits, but it also has remarkable effects on our mental well-being. Walking for mental health has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Engaging in regular walks allows us to disconnect from the pressures of daily life and immerse ourselves in the present moment. The rhythmic movement of walking helps calm the mind, promoting relaxation and alleviating tension. Furthermore, walking outdoors provides an added advantage for our mood enhancement. Nature has a profound impact on our psychological state, and by incorporating outdoor walks into our routine, we can experience even greater benefits. Walking can be a powerful tool for combating loneliness or isolation. By engaging in regular group walks, individuals have the opportunity to expand their social circle and form meaningful connections with like-minded people who share similar interests. The act of walking itself triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. These neurotransmitters not only elevate our mood but also contribute to a sense of overall well-being. Regular walks can lead to increased energy levels, improved self-esteem, and enhanced cognitive function. Taking time out for a walk each day offers numerous mental health benefits. Whether it's reducing stress and anxiety or boosting your mood and self-esteem, walking proves to be a simple yet powerful tool in maintaining good mental well-being. So lace up your shoes, step outside into nature's embrace, and let the transformative power of walking guide you towards a healthier mind. Incorporating walking into your daily routine and some tips for making it a sustainable habit. Incorporating walking into your daily routine can have numerous benefits for your physical and mental well-being. But how do you start and sustain this healthy habit? In this section, we will explore practical tips that will help you make walking a sustainable part of your daily life. To begin with, it's important to set achievable goals for yourself when starting a daily walking routine. Start by determining how many steps or distance you want to walk each day. It's crucial to set realistic targets that align with your current fitness level and schedule. Gradually increase these goals as you progress, ensuring that they remain challenging yet attainable. One effective way to incorporate walking into your routine is by integrating it into your commute or breaks at work, home, or school. Instead of driving or taking public transportation for short distances, consider walking instead. Not only will this help you achieve your daily step goals, but it also reduces carbon emissions and contributes positively to the environment. During breaks at work or school, take advantage of the opportunity to stretch your legs and get some fresh air by going for a brisk walk. This not only boosts your physical activity but also enhances focus and productivity when you return to work or studying. At home, make it a habit to take regular walks after meals or during leisure time. Explore nearby parks or nature trails if available in your area. Walking not only improves cardiovascular health, but also provides an opportunity for relaxation and stress reduction. By following these practical tips on how to start a daily walking routine and incorporating it into various aspects of your life, you can make walking a sustainable habit that brings long-term health benefits. So lace up those shoes and step towards a healthier lifestyle. Pedometers and why you should use one. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to prioritize our health and well-being. However, with the help of a pedometer, you can take control of your physical activity and make positive changes towards a healthier lifestyle. Pedometers are small devices that track the number of steps you take throughout the day. They have become increasingly popular due to their numerous benefits in promoting physical activity and improving fitness levels. By wearing a pedometer, you can easily monitor your daily steps and set achievable goals for yourself. One of the key benefits of using a pedometer is that it provides an accurate measure of your daily activity level. It allows you to see how many steps you have taken in real time, giving you an instant feedback on your progress. This feedback is crucial as it motivates you to increase your activity levels and reach new milestones. Whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during lunch breaks, these small changes can add up over time and contribute significantly to overall fitness. Setting goals is another powerful aspect of using a pedometer. By challenging yourself to achieve a certain number of steps each day or gradually increasing your step count over time, you are more likely to stay committed and consistent in your physical activity routine. Moreover, using a pedometer helps create awareness about sedentary behavior. Many people underestimate the amount of time they spend sitting throughout the day. With a pedometer, you become more conscious about reducing sedentary habits by encouraging regular movement breaks and incorporating physical activity into your schedule. Incorporating a pedometer into your daily routine can have numerous benefits for both your physical health and overall well-being. These devices serve as valuable tools in improving fitness levels while encouraging an active lifestyle. So why not take the first step towards a healthier you by using a pedometer today? Incorporating a pedometer into your daily routine can have numerous benefits for both your physical health and overall well-being. From tracking steps to promoting physical activity and setting achievable goals, these devices serve as valuable tools in improving fitness levels while encouraging an active lifestyle. Here we will recommend our top 2 choices for pedometers based on price, accuracy, reliability, and availability. Our first choice is the 3D FitBud Simple Step Counter Walking 3D Pedometer with clip and lanyard, A420S. It is simple and easy to use and is ready to use straight out of the package. The simple feature and design makes it user-friendly for men, women, kids, and the elderly who want to track their steps and stay motivated towards achieving their fitness goal. It's the simplest pedometer to start with if you don't want complicated setups. Our second choice is the Neskla 3D Pedometer for walking. It is a simple and easy to use 3D pedometer for steps only. No Bluetooth, no app or smartphone connections required. Only one reset button. To reset the counter, you just need to press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds to get the step to 0. You will find a link in the description for both of these pedometers. Embrace the power of walking and reap its countless rewards. In conclusion, the power of walking should not be underestimated. The countless rewards it offers for both physical health and mental well-being are undeniable. By incorporating walking into our daily routines, we can experience a wide range of benefits. From improving cardiovascular health to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, walking is a simple yet effective way to enhance our physical well-being. It helps us maintain a healthy weight, strengthen muscles and bones, and increase overall stamina. Moreover, regular walking has been proven to reduce stress levels and promote better sleep patterns, leading to improved mental well-being. Walking also has a positive impact on our creativity and productivity. Taking a stroll outdoors can stimulate our senses, clear our minds, and provide new perspectives. It allows us to disconnect from technology and immerse ourselves in nature's beauty, which in turn enhances our ability to think creatively and problem solve. In today's fast-paced world where stress is prevalent and sedentary lifestyles are common, embracing the power of walking is more important than ever. By making it a priority in our lives, we can reap the countless rewards it offers for physical and mental health. So let us lace up our shoes, step outside into the world around us, and embrace the power of walking with open arms. Our bodies will thank us for it as we experience improved fitness levels and reduced stress. And as an added bonus, we may just find ourselves feeling more inspired and creative along the way.